The respondent, who was employed as a teacher under the government of Haryana, claimed advance increment in terms of Punjab government memo dated 1st September 1960. The Director of Secondary Education Haryana rejected the claim on the in terms of Rule 10 of the Punjab Education Service Class 3rd School Cadre Rule 195. The pay scales of the teachers were subject to variation from time to time, and since the state of Haryana revised the pay scales of various categories of teachers 1st December 1967, memo dated 1st September 1960 stood superseded. He also observed that higher start of pay with advance increments for postgraduate qualification was provided only to masters or mistresses and not to other categories of teachers. The High Court allowed the writ petition and directed that the respondent be given advance increments in terms of the Punjab government memo and the letter of the government of Haryana aggrieved. The state of Haryana filed the appeal. The teachers employed under the government of Haryana could claim benefit of the higher pay scales, advance increments, etc. in terms of the policy decision taken by the government of undivided Punjab and instruction issued by it only till the revision of their pay scales, which were made effective from 1st December 1967 and not thereafter. The question of revision of pay scales of the teachers employed under the government of Haryana was considered by the Education Commission, which is also known as Kothari Commission. The recommendation made by the Commission were accepted by the President of India and were implemented by the state government with effect from 1st December 1967. After revision of the pay scales of various categories of teachers, the government of Haryana issued instruction for grant of monetary benefit in the form of personal pay to those government servants who improved their qualifications by undertaking further study within the country and abroad. Further, by later all the existing instructions were superseded and fresh instructions were issued on the subject. However, the decision contained in letter and other related communication were withdrawn by the state government by their letter. The High Court erred in accepting the plea of the respondent that revision of the pay scales of teachers with retrospective date did not result in automatic supersession of the existing policy decision.